How to fix Canara Bank app not working problem on iOS device. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Canara Bank. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. Search for the application Canara Bank. And then head over to it. In this page, all you want to do is click on Offload App. It will clear all the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. Well, even after this, if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix your problem, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Canara Bank app not working on iOS device. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.